Excuse me, love. How do I get? Which train do I get to Milngavie?
Queen Street Station you're trying to get to.
Queen Street Station.
You want to walk or you can get the free bus there.
I'll just walk.
Walk. Go out the front door here.
Yeah.
Turn to the right. Go to the end of the street. You'll see TGI's on the corner. Continue up for 2 blocks. Turn right again.
Thanks, love. Cheers for that. Thank you. Oh, sorry, dude. So now we're going to Milngavie. Bring it on, boy.
Cause I'm blessed, I know. Haven't sat there ever
Just been to Greg's, got myself some food and a drink. I'm fucking starving. It's 12:15, so we've got, I'm gonna sit there in a minute, eat some food, and yeah, and then we're gonna find the start point. Oh, I'm hungry, man. I'm bloody hungry, innit? Go, go, go. So basically, for £6 a person, you can ring a ferry from over there. The little dock's just down there, look. And they'll pick you up and take you over there. There's shops, they sell beer and all that, whatever, fags. There's places to stay. There's, oh, my feet. Yeah, man. Oh, crack on. So hopefully I can get there's more food. Hopefully I can get some clean fresh water from here. Oh god. Bar, shops, toilets, restaurant. Oh sweet. Washing facilities, camping, hiking. God. That'll do, like.